Namaste viewer, welcome back to Ajayasthramani Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 7th of May 2024, we are diving deep into the realm of power generation, specifically focusing on thermal power plants. Let's kick things off with a crucial statistic. Recent data reveals that thermal power plants, the backbone of our energy infrastructure, are currently operating with 68% of their normative coal stocks. Impressive numbers, indeed. But what does this mean for us, especially as we brace ourselves for soaring temperatures and escalating electricity demands? According to the latest report from the Central Electricity Authority, a whopping 184 thermal power plants, collectively boasting a generation capacity of 211 gigawatts, are maintaining this coal stock level. Now, why does this matter? Well, buckle up, because the Power Ministry is forecasting a peak demand of 260 gigawatts during this scorching summer season. And it's not just speculation. Recent records show that peak power demand has been on the rise, hitting an all-time high of 243 gigawatts back in September 2023. To keep up with this surging demand, the Power Ministry has implemented several strategic measures. This includes mandating the operation of imported coal-based plants and urging domestic coal-based ones to import coal for blending. But what do the experts say? Well, they believe that despite hitting 224 gigawatts in April, power demand could escalate even further as we progress into the scorching months of May and June. However, there's a catch. The mining of dry fuel could be hampered during the upcoming monsoon season, potentially affecting coal stocks and consequently, power generation. Yet, amidst these challenges, thermal plants stand as pillars of resilience. With proper coal stocks, they have the capacity to run seamlessly throughout the year. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Remember to stay tuned to Ajayasthramani Guru for more insightful updates on commodities and beyond. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. This is Nina, signing off.